Traffic jams are a daily frustration for many city drivers. To solve this problem, researchers are now using a method called spatial clustering to analyze GPS speed data. By studying how fast vehicles move in different areas, city planners can design smarter roads and reduce commute times for everyone. Hello everyone, and welcome to the ENTECH magazine's news digest for week 2 of March 2026. I'm Dayur, excited to share 10 amazing stories from the world of science and technology this week.
We look deep into human history. Scientists recently analyzed DNA from Stone Age graves to find ancient genetic ties. They discovered exactly how early human families were organized and buried together, giving us a clear picture of community life thousands of years ago.
In technology, robots are learning to handle unpredictable situations. Engineers are currently building adaptive robotics that can adjust to changes in their environment without human help. Whether they are walking on rough ground or carrying heavy objects, these machines learn and adapt instantly.
A tiny jawbone is rewriting the history of mammals in North America. Paleontologists recently found a rare ancient primate fossil in Colorado. This discovery provides vital clues about the animals that lived millions of years ago, helping trace the evolutionary family tree of modern primates.
Keeping our communities healthy requires constant monitoring of the air and water. Medical researchers are actively studying environmental toxicology to protect human health. They are tracking how common chemicals affect the body over time, which is essential for creating stricter safety rules.
In energy news, waste gas from all fields is a major source of air pollution. To address this, scientists developed a plasma reactor that transforms this waste into valuable chemicals. Instead of burning the gas, this machine uses plasma to turn it into useful materials.
Offshore drilling is getting much safer thanks to fiber optic sand monitoring. Engineers place special cables deep inside offshore wells to listen for sand moving through the pipes. This early warning system prevents equipment damage and avoids dangerous leaks in the ocean.
Drug-resistant fungal infections are becoming a serious threat in hospitals. To fight back, medical scientists created a highly targeted nanoweapon. Since regular medicines often fail, researchers designed tiny particles that destroy the fungus from the inside out, offering new hope for patients.
High salt levels in dirt can completely ruin healthy crops. For agriculture, researchers developed a robust method to measure soil salinity from space. By using advanced satellites to map this salt, farmers can treat the soil properly and grow more food for a growing population.
Finally, large industrial water pumps use massive amounts of electricity. To boost energy efficiency, engineers recently introduced smart pump controls. This new artificial intelligence system adjusts the pump speed based on real-time demand, saving energy and lowering costs for cities.
That wraps up another exciting week in science and technology. Please visit enteconline.com to read the full articles. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future science content. Don't forget to share it with friends who love science. Which story excited you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.